classmate. I am Kia from Kehana, and my report is environmental modification. So environmental modification, common among learners with physical disability and their problem with mobility, which means many students with physical disabilities have trouble getting around. So here are some of the environmental modification that teachers can adapt for their classroom. First, secure a seat that is non-busy area inside the classroom for learners with physical disabilities. So which means dapat secure gud to ang mga set or mga ingkuranan sa non-busy area inside sa classroom para sa mga naay physical disabilities. Second, place paper cup dispenser in close proximity to water fountains to ensure accessible for student using wheelchair. So dapat po na yun tayo mga paper cup sa mga sa dispenser sa kanang sa tubig para ma-ensure gid nato nga accessible ang mga student nga mag-use ay itong ga-use og mga wheelchair. So the third is regulate a class or activity to a section of the school building that is easily accessible, allowing a student with a physical disability to take part. So kasabot ana is means to move a class or activity to a more accessible area of the school building so that a student with a physical disability can participate. So fourth is offer gel pens with a low pressure requirement for writing. So kasabot man mo ana no. So ikalima is offer a mounted pointer stick and keyboard protector to assist a student with impaired fine motor skills and accurately pressing individual computer keys. So muna siya environmental notification that teachers can adapt for their school. So my last topic is placement option. So placement option, inclusive classroom with related service, student with ADHD, other health impairment, and physical disabilities benefit the most when placed in an inclusive classroom. So which means the student with ADHD, other health impairments, and physical disabilities experiences the greatest advantage and improvements when they are educated in regular classroom alongside their non-disabled peers rather than in separate special education settings. So, muna siya ang means sa katong gibasa gay na about sa placement option. So, ADHD means ang meaning ana is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. So, muna siya ang meaning sa ADHD. O, more na. Thank you.